Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the Yamaha receiver subwoofer not working, audio setup and cable fix guide. Fix 1. Check the power and cable connection. Verify the subwoofer is plugged into a working wall outlet. Ensure the power switch is turned on or set to auto. Now confirm the RCA subwoofer cable is firmly connected to the receiver. A subwoofer pre-out jack or the subwoofer LFE line in input. If possible, test with another RCA subwoofer cable to rule out a faulty cable. Fix 2. Enable the subwoofer in Yamaha receiver setting. Open the setup Open setup on your Yamaha receiver and go to speaker and configuration. Set subwoofer to use or yes and save the settings and exit the menu. Fix 3. Run YPAO auto calibration again. So connect the applied YPAO microphone. Navigate to setup then speaker. Now click on auto setup. Now run the complete calibration. After it finished, verify the receiver detect the subwoofer correctly. Fix 4. Set the front speaker to small. So open the speaker and configuration. Now change the front speaker from large to small. Now set the crossover frequency to around 80 Hz or according to your speaker. Save the settings and test again. Fix 5. Increase the subwoofer volume. Turn the subwoofer volume and gain knob to about the halfway position. Increase the subwoofer level in the Yamaha receiver audio settings if needed. If your subwoofer has audio standby, temporarily switch it to on always on. The fix 6. Test with bass heavy content. Play a music with Dolby or DTS audio. Then use a bass test video or audio file and try enabling the extra bass if supported. To confirm the subwoofer is receiving a signal. The fix 7. Check the receiver test tone. So open the setup, then click on speaker. Now select here test mode. Now listen for sound from every speaker including the subwoofer if the subwoofer stays silent during the test. The issue is likely with the receiver settings cable or hardware. The fix 8. Power cycle the receiver and subwoofer. So turn off both the receiver and subwoofer. Unplug them from the power or about 5 minutes. Reconnect everything and turn the receiver on first, then followed by the subwoofer and test the system again. The fix 9. Reset the Yamaha receiver. So if incorrect settings are preventing subwoofer output, perform a factory reset. Refer to your receiver model manual for the exact procedure. Now back up any custom settings if possible and reset the receiver. And configure the speaker and run YPAO calibration again. And the last fix, you can contact Yamaha support. If the subwoofer still does not work after completing the setup above, the issue may involve the receiver subwoofer pre-out circuit or the subwoofer amplifier. So contact the Yamaha support or visit the authorized service center for diagnosis and repair. So you can visit the official Yamaha support. Goodbye and thanks for watching.